Hi there, welcome back to Hidden Crowns channel. I'm Bonnie B, and in this video I'm going to show you how to straighten your crown topper on yourself. Let's get started. So to get started, you're going to go ahead and apply your crown topper properly. Scoop that clip in, clip the rest. So to get started, I'm just gonna take a section, and it's okay if your hair gets in there, but you don't need it to. I pre-straightened my hair prior to this. It is a lot easier to get everything really straight if you straighten your hair first and then do your crown topper after. So I am gonna use a comb on majority of the sections, but I'm gonna show you how to use without the comb as well. So just gently clamping and following the section, going at a slow pace. And see that? Only one swipe down and it's smooth, silky, and soft, and actually has a shine to it. It's really pretty. Very easy too. It's much quicker than just raking over and over and over at high speeds, because when you go super fast when you're straightening, it causes friction. And we don't want friction when we're straightening our hair. I'm just gonna go ahead and continue with my comb. I am gonna leave a section in the back and pull it off and show you how to straighten a section off of your head. I'm not clamping very tightly. You don't want to clamp super tight because it's going to pull really hard on the crown topper, and it's not really necessary. Okay, I'm going to go ahead and now pull it off and show you how to do the rest off of your head, but it's not necessary. I just want to be able to show you all your options in straightening the crown topper, because it is a little bit of a harder extension to style off of your head. I would say curling it off of your head is even more harder than straightening it, just because of the maneuvering of a curling iron and going in circles. But as you can see, there's one swipe here that hasn't been, section that hasn't been straightened all the way. It's got like a bend, and I don't like those. I like it all naturally, just nice and smooth. So all I'm gonna do is just make sure that section is combed completely, no tangles. Take my straightener, I'm gonna kind of hold the topper upright, and I'm gonna use my straightener to get in here, and I'm just gonna go ahead and swipe down in that section. And if this is a little challenging for you, don't worry. If you have somebody that can hold it for you, that's easy to do. Or you can purchase a styrofoam wig head online or at a beauty shop that sells wigs, and you can pin the crown topper to the wig head to be able to do your styling right in front of you, which is a lot easier too. All right. So that's it. I really didn't focus right here because that's hidden. Unless there's like a strong wave in there, go ahead and go in there and straighten it out. But for the most part, that's hidden under all the top half of it. So go ahead and reapply. Now my hair is still shorter than the crown topper, so I don't prefer to wear the crown topper by itself yet, because it's very noticeable with my hair shorter, and you can see it kind of in the back. You can see my hair length shorter than the crown topper, but I just wanted to be able to show you how quick and easy it is to straighten it on yourself. And here are the finished results. We hope you found this video to be very helpful and it answered all your questions. If you have any further questions, please don't hesitate to contact us via email at accounts@hiddencrown.com. Make sure to find us on our other social media platforms below, and check out these videos that correlate with the video you just watched.